Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Excel and choosing a blank workbook so you can control structure. Once done, save immediately to your laptop as an XLSX file so autosave can work later. Make sure autosave is on when using OneDrive, otherwise save manually. Also check Excel's calculation mode and regional settings so formulas and dates behave as expected. This prevents wrong results later and keeps your file compatible across devices. Now create your first header row and enter sample data to test formatting. With data in place, convert the range to a formatted table so Excel gives you filters and structured references automatically. Once done, apply basic formulas like SUM and average for totals, then add IF for conditional logic. For lookups, prefer XLOOKUP if available. Otherwise, use VLOOKUP with exact match. Make sure cell references are locked with $ when copying formulas across ranges. Use freeze panes to keep headers visible and apply simple conditional formatting to highlight outliers. This speeds and finish by validating your calculations. Check totals, use trace precedence and dependence, and inspect error values. Once validated, protect sheets or the workbook if needed and export to PDF for fix sharing. Share via OneDrive with permissions so collaborators get updates. If something goes wrong, first check for #ref or hash value errors. These usually mean broken references or wrong data types. Correct ranges and convert text to numbers. Finally, save a backup copy and you're ready to close or hand off the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.